mask right here into the most glamorous mask that anyone has ever laid their eyes on, and it will be made by you. So let's just get into how we're gonna transform this ugly mask into the most gorgeous thing that money couldn't even buy. So I actually have a couple different objects right here on my table because basically this can all be extremely free. You don't really need to go out and buy fabric. So I actually just have this out right here because I'm actually giving this away. I went through my closet, so like this is just like a tank top, so you can easily use like a piece of clothing you're gonna get rid of. And I had this thought because like jean and rhinestone is like everything. So if there's like a pair of jeans that you want to get rid of, or maybe you want to make them to shorts or something, like this would be a really, really great, really cute thing to put a jean over here and then bedazzling it. And then like right here, this is a scarf that I happen to have that I don't know if I'm actually going to be getting rid of, but this would be a really easy way to just overcoat a mask by just making it free. But I happen to have this backdrop right here at my house. So I'm actually just gonna be using like one of the corners right here because I'm still gonna be using it as a backdrop, and I only really need, you know, like let's be real here, like just a round thing right here. So I'm not gonna be using a lot of it. You also need like clearly a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun with some glue sticks. Now, of course, you can use like real glue, but this will be like the quickest way to adhere it. And of course, if you don't like what you just did, you can just easily rip it off with no problems. And then for rhinestones, of course, I have some rhinestones here on this plate. I also have some that are kind of like a mix of another tone, so I may like break these out. A knead tool. So if you ever deal with rhinestones and putting them on, this little tool right here is the key to your rhinestone success right here. All right, so let's just get into cutting this. Now, clearly, this is my first time doing it, and I'm not a perfectionist. Okay, so it's easier, I really feel, like maybe just cutting a big circle and then putting it on top. We'll hot glue it, and then of course we will trim off the excess right here. So this fabric actually stretches a little bit, which is kind of nice. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to hot glue the sides right here and then work from there. Okay, now that the sides are down, and now I'm just gonna go all around the edge right here and just slowly adhere and keep kind of pushing it all the way around like this. All right, so here she is really quickly, and you know, she's really secure on here, like no lie about that. And so now I'm just gonna cut around and actually just trim off all the excess. All right, for the next step, I wish I had a silver Sharpie, but I actually all I have is a gold one. So I'm just going to color these straps right here just so it's not so aggressive. Not like crazy amazing, but definitely better than the original yellow right here. All right, so now we're gonna have the most fun. Just gonna take our grabber and I'm just going to randomly dot the hot glue and put the rhinestones all over. All right, so I'm actually gonna add the bigger rhinestones as these small ones I could not even tell. Now that I'm about all the way done, I do find that from doing it over and over again, that it's easiest if you actually, depending on how fast you can go, is just make one line, one thin line, and then going over that line immediately with the rhinestones versus doing little dots, if you will. So this way you can also add a lot more rhinestones or just have a little bit more fun with it. And there she is, all blinged out. Really, really cute. Of course, if you did want to add a little bit more detail, you know, if you did want to add like a small ribbon all around the edge, that would be a really, really cute thing to do, but I'm gonna leave mine plain just because I'm trying to keep it as simple but as glamorous as I possibly can. am literally obsessed with this mask and I cannot wait to wear it in public. I mean, this is just amazing. I literally cannot believe how great that it turned out. Much better than I anticipated. And then also this little project literally took 30 to 45 minutes for me to create. And clearly you can make it, you know, faster or take more time if you want to add more rhinestones to it, or if you want to just bedazzle it even more by adding ribbon to it or whatnot. And the most important thing about this project is no matter what is going on in this crazy world, never lose sight of how fabulous your life can be if you add some rhinestones and add your own pizzazz to things. So let me know if any of you have bedazzled your own mask already, or if you're going to be doing it. I would love to know and see you in your mask. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of your mask, of your glam looks, of you just being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in the most gorgeously bedazzled face mask that the world has ever seen,